Okay everyone, today we're going to be changing out this switch right here. Anytime I try to use this dry vac, it trips the breaker in the garage. And I'm thinking the culprit is the switch. It sticks. Alright. First things first. Take this off. Dry vac. That aside. I'm not gonna need that. Disassembly of the top is pretty straightforward. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Phillips head screws to take off. These screws are pretty torqued down pretty well, so you can loosen them up with the screwdriver. And if you want to speed up the process and you have a drill, take the rest off the drill. It'll come off a lot faster. Anytime you're working on something like this, you want to kind of keep the screws in order, just in case some are longer than others. And if that is the case, maybe put them on a board or something, that way they don't get lost. So next step is to just take this off. Here's the piece we're going to be replacing. Now, Rigid doesn't make this piece anymore, so I had to buy this replacement piece from McMaster-Carr, and it was $7. They charged like $6 for shipping. So it's kind of pricey, I guess, for what it is, but cheaper than buying a new dry vac. So this is the new piece. You see the switch is the same. We have a red connection and a blue connection. Just take these off. I remember what order they go in. Here's the old switch, and here's the new switch. Hopefully this is what's wrong, but I think it is. And you just place it like that, and put everything back on in reverse order. My battery died right on time. Alright, so once you get all these screws back on, again, this is the old switch. I think it blew something in there. I don't know what. It has like a fuse or something. And here's the new one. You can just push it in once you put all the screws. Just kind of clicks in. All right. Now time for the moment of truth. See if that's the problem. Okay, so I got it plugged in. And we're ready to test it out. Again, so what was happening is anytime I would turn this on, it would blow the breaker in my garage. And basically I couldn't use it. So something was not connecting right or something. So we're gonna try it out now. If it stays on, that means it worked. If the breaker blows again, then it's something else. It might be the cord, the extension cord, or the cord that's not the extension cord, but the cord that is included with this wet vac. That's what it's called. So here we go. Moment of truth. Alright, so as you can see, that was the problem. This is the switch. And it's staying on. I mean, before it would just turn off right away every time I turn it on, or it wouldn't even turn on at all at the end. So I hope this helps out any others that might have run into the same issue. Again, it's cheaper than going out and buying another. I mean, this dry vac was like $100 bucks. I don't want to have to go buy that. So for 14 bucks shipped, this switch from McMaster-Carr, it's a lot cheaper. All right, please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks again.